we're at Sonoma Raceway. Let's do a little track guide. We're in the pits here. Got the green flag. Make sure you wave to your flag men and women. You're gonna stay to the left. Even if it's hot or not hot, you're gonna stay to the left, and then you can cut across once you know you're clear. Come up, that's turn 2A. Still in third. And we're gonna warm up the car here. Come over 3A here, over a crest. Come up all the way to the curbing. Use your brakes, release the brakes slowly. And make sure you have your traction all the way off, like this. There we go, it's off now. Then you're gonna downshift into third for this. The carousel, turn 6, into the compression zone where you have grip, and then you will have less grip. And let your faster drivers over. You're gonna come over there. You don't want to hit that curbing too much, just on the very edge. And then this is 8. Hug this curbing here. And then roll on throttle, baby. Let your fellow Porsches by. Come on, go, guy. And here we go. Our first hot lap. Now that everything's warmed up, I'm gonna ride this curbing just a tad. And track out all the way, full throttle. Full throttle. All right, let's put a lap in. Once our tires are warm here, yep, they're pretty good. You just want to stay on the inside here. A little light brake. Try to brake as straight as you can. I'll exit all the way out to the outside. You're going to stay in third here for most cars. Light tap of the brake for me. Oh, I missed that apex. And you're going to come over the crest. Release the brake slowly and get some rotation going. Come around. And on the crest. Car is going to get a little wiggly there, but time it out for this compression zone. There we go. Let the car drift out a little bit. Woo! And then on the brakes, find a braking point. And then you're going to apex right here. It was a little off, but we got it. Time it out for 8, so you can get 8A straight as you can. Cut it across like so. Come over the crest. Full throttle, baby. Full throttle through this. Straight braking. And apex this. There we go. Track out. Find a braking zone. Here we go. Easy on the throttle. Easy on the throttle, because you'll get that inside tire spin. Okay, well, that was a lap at Sonoma Raceway. I hope you enjoyed. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what track you want to see next.